This is a story of the smartest man in town. In a small, bustling village known for its beautiful well, there lived a teacher revered for his wisdom and a newly certified lawyer known for his quick wit and an even quicker hand for a good deal. The lawyer, fresh from the big city, believed his legal education made him the smartest man in town. So when the teacher expressed a desire to buy the village well, the lawyer saw an opportunity to make an easy profit and, more importantly, to prove his intellectual superiority. Act 1. The deceitful deal. The transaction was swift. With a flourish, the lawyer signed the papers, accepting a fair price for the well. He felt a secret thrill of victory. You see, the contract was perfectly worded. He had sold the well, but the contract made no mention of the water inside it. It was a clever, little loophole, and he knew he could charge the teacher a fortune for every bucket he drew. 2 days later, just as the teacher was about to draw his first bucket, the lawyer sauntered up to him, a predatory glint in his eye. "Sir," the lawyer said, his voice dripping with faux politeness. "I sold you the well, but I didn't sell you the water inside. If you want to use the water, you will have to pay me extra." He crossed his arms, expecting to see a look of shock and defeat on the teacher's face. Act 2. The elegant rebuttal. But the teacher did not flinch. A calm, knowing smile spread across his face. He looked at the lawyer with eyes that had seen 1,000 generations of students come and go. "Yes, my dear boy," the teacher replied calmly. "I was just about to come to you. You see, I was going to say that since the water inside is your property, you should take it from my well. Or else," he continued, his voice now a little firmer, "you will have to start paying me rent from tomorrow for using my well as a storage container." Act 3. The unraveling and the moral. The lawyer's smug expression instantly vanished. His mouth opened and closed like a fish out of water. He stammered, his confidence shattered. "Oh, I was just joking," he said, his voice a desperate, pleading whisper. "Just a joke between friends." The teacher threw his head back and laughed, a full, hearty laugh that filled the small village square. "I know," he said, patting the lawyer on the shoulder. He looked him in the eye and delivered the final, elegant blow. "This is how people like you become lawyers after studying with us. Logic over trickery." The lawyer walked away, his pride bruised and his trick exposed. The teacher, on the other hand, went back to his life, a reminder to the village that true intelligence isn't about finding a loophole, it's about solid logic and timeless wisdom. Some lessons are simply more valuable than others. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this story with a friend.